Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order on Temu. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and select open the Temu app. Once the Temu gets booted up and opens up, you have to press on the item you would like to purchase. So simply click on the product you want to purchase and select its type. Once you are done with this, you need to simply add it to your cart. As it gets added to your cart, you need to click on the free shipping option and then select the products from your cart to be ordered. Once you select it, you need to click on the checkout option and again click on continue to checkout. Finally, you need to click on checkout and enter your location and your phone number. Now you need to press continue and select the shipping methods. Once you do so, you need to select your payment option. After you are done selecting your payment option, you need to click continue and simply enter your card details. After this, all you need to do is submit your order and you will be notified after your payment is successful. So this is how you order on Temu. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.